Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're going to talk about some of the brand new Blender add-ons that are currently available on Superhive as the Superhive winter sale is ongoing. And for those who like to grab amazing products on Superhive, this is running from the 24th of February to March the 2nd of 2026, as you'll definitely find a ton of cool add-ons and amazing stuff that you can grab and start working with. Now without further ado, let's dive right in and talk about some of the brand new Blender add-ons that are currently available on Superhive. The folks at Lazy3D have put together the Physical Fog add-on, and this is a photorealistic volumetric system which is currently doing a 65% off, and this is huge, especially for those who are looking for amazing discount. The Physical Fog allows you to create cinematic volumetric fog in minutes right inside of Blender, with layered preset, dynamic physical volume interaction, and so much more. So if you're looking for a tool that you can use to create amazing looking fogs with tons of parameters, which is lightweight and also offers you layer options for you to be able to layer your effects easily and work with them right inside of Blender, then you might want to consider taking a look at the Physical Fog add-on. And this add-on is doing a 65% off. Additionally, the folks at Lazy3D, they have a mega bundle, and this offers artists 18 impressive items that they've put together, from the Physical Fog to Lazy Composer, the Fauna Master, all the way to Physical Weather FX Master, the Physical Water FX Deluxe, Water VFX Master, the Time Master, Fuzzy Master, and so much more. So if any of these interest you, then you can come through and grab it. One thing to keep in mind is this bundle is a lifetime bundle, so if you simply get it, once there's an update to any of the add-ons that they have, you can come through and grab it. Antonio Bagatini, the creator of Baga Pi, have now released an updated version of the Baga Ivy, and this is called the Baga Ivy Simulation. And this is an amazing tool for anyone that is thinking about doing Ivy simulations on their 3D model. Previously, the Ivy tool was amazing as it did allow creators to make Ivies on their models with nice options and presets that you can customize to get some very amazing looking Ivies on your models. It was procedural, fast, and easy for creators to work with. This new updated version now offers more, as it now brings those Ivies to life with the simulation tool that comes with it. And this means that you can create a growth animation for your Ivies, and you can simply animate various parts of the Ivies depending on what you're going for. And for more artistic control, this now allows creators to actually hand paint how they like their simulations to work. This gives you a lot of options when it has to do with baking, creation, and full control of the Ivy animations that you get when you work with this. So if you're in the market and you're looking for an amazing tool that you can use to do Ivies that comes with tons of presets and full control for lots of things, then the Baga Ivy Simulation tool is definitely a wonderful pick. The folks at Diffuse Studio put together the Zombie Pack, and the Zombie Pack is a pack which is meant for their crowd simulation tool. And this is really interesting because they've actually collaborated with the folks at Apex Assets to put this one together. And the Zombie Pack comes with zombie characters for horror and apocalyptic scenes, with 19 high quality zombie models which come with clean topology, consistent scale, with production level quality. You can now make that apocalyptic scene with nice close-ups for your next animation easily. At the same time, this offers various animation types, and with most other packs, this is fully compatible with their Procedural crowd add-on. But of course, if you like to just place these things in your scene, you can take full advantage of their asset browser ready set of assets, which allows you to drag and drop them into your viewports with ease. So whether you're thinking about compositing or using this for games, or possibly you're thinking about creating your very own apocalyptic animations, the Zombie Pack from the folks at Diffuse Studio, alongside all the tools that they have on their storefront, is now available and currently on sale. The folks at 3D Vision have put together the Artistic Filter, and the Artistic Filter instantly turns your 3D renders into traditional masterpiece, which can range from watercolor, stylized, or even simple sketches. And this takes full advantage of your compositor to make this happen, with key features like Paint Filter, which is a customizable procedural paint filter for an organic texture feel, also ships with scribbles that adds procedural scribbles for that unique sketchbook vibe. Then we've also got the Spherical Mask, which is a procedural mask with irregular edges to help you focus on the subject. And of course, if you're thinking about adding the artistic filter feel to your next renders, then this is for you. Milad, the creator of Blender to Substance Painter Live Link plugin, have recently released the Blender to Unreal Live Link, and this takes a note from the Blender to Substance Live Link as it bridges the idea of moving back and forth between these two apps and offering creators that same seamless one-click connection between Blender and Unreal Engine. And with this add-on, you can now simply send your models, materials, and textures back and forth without ever leaving your workspace. And this offers a couple of cool features, which includes automatic UV UV baking for models without UVs, smart material transfer, which means you can simply transfer your PBR materials automatically from Blender to Unreal Engine, parent-child support, which is also done automatically. We've also got the live link mode to edit and work in real time as this automatically updates, and we also have the send selected, and all of these are being put together to help creators move their files from Blender to Unreal Engine with ease. So if you're in the market and you're looking for an add-on that can help you move across these tools, Milad have actually made this one possible, and you can go over to his storefront where you'll be able to find these. Beta Cutter is an amazing Blender add-on that allows you to cut through any model that you have in Blender, and this is a very interesting tool that just lets you use plane or curves to cut through and create amazing looking piece, which by default might probably take you more time to make, and I've already made a video about this one, so just in case you like to follow up with that, you can actually go ahead and see it. The cool thing with this is this allows you to get that real-time update when you're cutting through the model, and you can make individual and tiny tweaks in real time and see them apply on your model instantaneously. And this is going to be a useful tool for anyone that is into modeling and is looking for slicing, cutting, or a simple tool that they can use to create amazing looking shapes out of any model that they have. StudioVerse is a beautiful tool from Thinkwify, and this is a nice cool lighting add-on, and this is a full render suite for Blender which offers you a ton of flexibility when you're thinking about lighting your scene inside of Blender, as this comes with tons of parameters, a layer-based workflow which is super powerful, and at the same time it also gives you beautiful options of hand placing light in different parts of your scene for more artistic control. From procedural lights to standard light all the way to real light textures, you do have infinite control and infinite possibilities and variations of what you can do with the lighting tool that StudioVerse currently offers. So if you're into lighting, or potentially you're looking for a nice cool new lighting tool which you can take advantage of, the folks at Thinkwify have put this one together and is currently available on sale. And for creators that are looking for nice effects tool, now we've covered a couple of these ones in the past, Aura Effects is a beautiful, cool tool that you can use to add nice cool effects on your 3D models, as these comes with beautiful presets which you can apply onto your models and procedurally control them. This is a super useful add-on and will save you massive amount of time if you're looking for nice looking effects tools that you can use on your model. This comes with 8K textures and it consists of amazing effects which include smoke, mist, fire, lighting, particles, rot, and even electricity. So depending on what you're trying to create, these add-ons are now here. So this is it for those who are thinking about grabbing all of these add-ons, or potentially you'd like to take advantage of the super hype sale which is currently ongoing. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.